Hi JK, today we are going to talk about shapes, and we're going to more specifically talk about the shapes that we will find in our pattern blocks at school. And eventually we'll talk a little bit more about them. We'll use them to make some patterns together on some of our Zoom meetings, and we'll talk about the different shapes that make up the shapes that are in the pattern blocks. So we'll do a lot of exploring with these over the next few weeks. So for today, I just wanted to give you the initial explanation and introduction, and then we'll go a little further with them. Most of you will be familiar with all of them already from exercises that we've done in math and patterns. And so first, I wanted to talk about this shape right here. I'm guessing that you all know what this shape is called. And this is a triangle. And a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. And this triangle is an equilateral, which means all of the sides are equal. But there are other triangles that some of the sides are longer than others. This is a triangle, and a triangle has 3 sides. Tri means 3, and angle are these little guys right here. The corners are called angles. Our next shape is this shape here. This is a square. And you can tell the difference between a square and a rectangle by the fact that a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. A rectangle will have 2 sides that are longer than the other 2 sides, but a square will have 4 equal sides. Next, we have these two, and they both have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This one also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and these are both called a rhombus. Now, we sometimes call them a diamond. They are diamond shaped, but the special scientific math name for these is a rhombus. So these are a rhombus, and they both have 4 sides. And you can see they're both made up of 2 triangles. If I had 2 triangles to put together, these would be a rhombus, or you can call it a diamond if you'd like. Then we have this shape right here, and this is a trapezoid. And the trapezoid has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and on this side, and this side are equal, and this side is longer. Now, if you remember the special table at school where we do a lot of art explorations, and sometimes you do a must-do writing with Miss Kelsey or Miss Tracy, or we do our self-portraits at that table. That table is called the hexagon table. And a hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Hexagon is a 6-sided figure, but if you've ever noticed our hexagon table, it does have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, but it's actually made up of 2 trapezoids. Our hexagon table has a hole in the middle because it is 2 trapezoids put together to make a hexagon. So I take this and put them together to make the hexagon. And so there are other shapes that we obviously didn't talk about today, but you're all very familiar with, and that is a circle and an oval, and maybe you're super familiar with an octagon. An octagon is an 8-sided figure that you will find on, say, a stop sign on the street. But you guys will have some work to do tonight if you would like. You can go on a shape walk around your house and try to find different objects that are any shape. It could be the pattern block shapes that we found today. You're probably pretty easily going to find something that is a square in your house, maybe a triangle or a rhombus, aka diamond. It might be pretty challenging to find something that's a hexagon or trapezoid in your house, but definitely you can try to find a circle or an oval. It doesn't have to be one of the pattern block shapes. So I am looking forward to seeing what shapes you find around your house on your shape walk. And I'm also looking forward to exploring with these pattern blocks more over the next couple weeks. Miss you guys.